Hi anime lovers, this is Anirudh. Today I am going to give the anime review of one of the most popular anime of all time, that is Sangatsu no Lion anime series. The creator of Sangatsu no Lion manga series, written and illustrated by Chika Umino, best known for Honey and Clover. Sangatsu no Lion manga series eventually led to an anime adaptation by one of the prominent studios by Shaft. Having reached professional status in middle school, Rei Kiriyama is one of the few elite in the world of shogi. Due to this, he faces an enormous amount of pressure both from the shogi community and his adoptive family. Seeking independence from his tense home life, he moves into an apartment in Tokyo. As a 17-year-old living on his own, Rei tends to take poor care of himself, and his reclusive personality ostracizes him from his peers in school and at the shogi hall. However, not long after his arrival in Tokyo, Rei meets Akari, Hinata, and Momo Kawamoto, a trio of sisters living with their grandfather, who owns a traditional wagashi shop. Akari, the oldest of the three girls, is determined to combat Rei's loneliness and poorly sustained lifestyle with motherly hospitality. The Kawamoto sisters, coping with past tragedies, also share with Rei a unique familial bond that he has lacked for most of his life. As he struggles to maintain himself physically and mentally through his shogi career, Rei Kiriyama must learn how to interact with others and understand his own complex emotions. The most important element in a seinen anime required is character development. The main protagonist of the Sangatsu no Lion anime series is Rei Kiriyama. Along with Rei Kiriyama, there are other exceptional main characters who play prominent role in Sangatsu no Lion anime series. Sangatsu no Lion anime series' greatest strength lies in its story. The characters of Sangatsu no Lion anime series is well crafted. The story of Sangatsu no Lion anime series consists full of intriguing and interesting plots, which is a remarkable prospect. The side characters did a phenomenal job and justified their slots along with the main characters, which elevated the theme of the story in Sangatsu no Lion anime series, which is deeply rooted. The story is complex, which is realistic, and the depthness of the constructive development of various plots is remarkable and interesting aspect. The game called shogi elevates the story by showing the main as well as basic attributes of lifestyle of professional players, which is an incredible aspect. The story of Sangatsu no Lion anime series is simple, well-grounded, and which emphasizes the main themes such as slice of life, drama, game, etc., which is a positive aspect. The Sangatsu no Lion anime series explores the different kinds of dimensions of character development, which is a significant aspect. The presentation of the different kinds of characters in Sangatsu no Lion anime series shows the remarkable consistency of the constructive character development, which is optimistic in nature. At last, I want to say that the character development in Sangatsu no Lion anime series is incredible. The Sangatsu no Lion manga series adopted by one of the prominent studios by Shaft. Shaft have produced several well-known anime such as Monogatari, Madoka Magica, Idamari Sketch, etc. It is a great prospect for Sangatsu no Lion anime series that it is adopted by Shaft Studio. The standard of animation is high. The animation of Sangatsu no Lion anime series is classy and elegant, which is an interesting aspect. The background designs and visual effects are exceptional in Sangatsu no Line anime series. Shaft is known for a distinct visual style characterized by striking color palettes and other features which played prominent role in Sangatsu no Line anime series. During the day and night scenes of the visual effects of the various locations showed in Sangatsu no Line anime series is heart-touching and colorful. The Shaft animation explored different types of dimensions of layers in which all characters of the Sangatsu no Line anime series on the on-screen looks terrific and beautiful. At last, I want to say that the animation of Shaft in Sangatsu no Line anime series is incredible. When it comes to music, music played a prominent role for increasing the standards and the depthness of the Sangatsu no Line anime series. The season 1 opening themes and ending themes shows the essence of the story, which is a great aspect. Even season 2 opening themes and ending themes shows amazing visuals and music in Sangatsu no Line anime series, which is an incredible aspect. The standard of music in Sangatsu no Line anime series is incredible. The music is pleasant and refreshing in various passages of the Sangatsu no Line anime series, which is a positive aspect. Music proved to be the key in unlocking the characters' emotions on the on-screen of Sangatsu no Line anime series is a great aspect. At last, I want to say that I really loved the music in Sangatsu no Line anime series. In this segment, I am going to mention about the special specifications in Sangatsu no Line anime series. The Sangatsu no Line anime series comes under the genre of drama, game, seinen, slice of life. The total episodes in Sangatsu no Line anime series consists of 44 episodes. There are 2 seasons of Sangatsu no Line anime series, in which each season consists of 22 episodes. I want to acknowledge the efforts and hard work of Chika Umino Shaft to produce Sangatsu no Line anime series. I really enjoyed and loved the Sangatsu no Line anime series. At last, I want to conclude that it's one of those series that might make you a better person than you were going into it. I won't be the first to admit that it can get boring and slow paced at times, but it's definitely not a series to overlook. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked my Sangatsu no Line anime review.